Hi everyone, I'm Carla Klopp, and I'm the creator of Shortcut Sheet Methods. In this short video, I'll explain what the Shortcut Sheet Methods are. They're available as a PDF download, so there is no shipping for international clients. Now, I have very few tools that I use. A large cutting mat, so I want at least 24 by 36 with two clear angles, the 45 degree and the 60 degree. A rotary cutter with a sharp blade. I like the larger blade size, but that's just my preference. A 24-inch quilting ruler. Again, clear angles for 60 degrees and 45 degrees. These three things are essential, and this is handy. It's a 4.5-inch quilting ruler. If you don't already have one, not a problem. You can do without it. There are 8 different methods. 6 of them are units. 2 of them are blocks. Each one has multiple sizes. So for example, half square triangles, you can make 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, 4.5, 5.5 inch sizes. You make hundreds at the same time. Quarter square, flying geese, hourglass, triangle in a square, 4-patch, hunter star, and 6-point star. Each shortcut sheet is available individually, so to purchase just one and download is a good way to decide if you want to try these methods. There's a practice pattern for each method. These are small projects. I use them when I teach classes, but they're about 24 by 24. The size varies a little bit. They're each focused on one of the methods. So it's a good way to reinforce while you're learning these methods. There are also 6 quilt patterns. I'm using an assortment of the different methods in these patterns. Ribbons and Stars is the 6-point star and half square triangles. Random Stars is a variation of the hunter star. Jillian's Choice, half square and a quarter square triangles. Me and My Shadow, hourglass and half square. Masquerade, triangle in a square and hourglass. And In the Forest, 2 sizes of flying geese. In this case around a panel, but certainly they don't have to be. I've included a few tips. The first is how to check your seam allowance. Sometimes that means moving your needle one direction or the other. Once you've determined for your individual machine, it will be the same for all techniques. I show you how to do 2 fabrics in a binding meeting at the corner at a miter. Sometimes that looks pretty interesting. There's a way to add what I call lace to your units by taking one of the strips of the fabrics and making it out of 2 strips. So it's a little extra sewing, but very interesting results. You can use the triangle and a square to do diamond border. I show you how I do my flange binding or 2-tone binding, and also the rules on how to make the quarter square triangle into a ribbon to go around any quilt. There's a worksheet section. You might want to use these methods for any quilt, not just my quilts. You start by drawing your blocks, counting your units, go to the individual unit worksheet. You can use up to 5 fabrics. For each worksheet, you may have multiple versions, so you have different lines. And then when you're finished, carry forward the totals to the total worksheet to get your total yardage. The complete binder as a download file is $39.95. Individual shortcuts are $9 and individual practice patterns are $5. There's a discount coupon. You can apply this when you check out from our store. 2020 discount with a capital D is the code that you'll use. If you download a single practice pattern, you are able to apply your $5 coupon, and so you'll get that for free. Then if you try it out and like it, come back and get the download version. So anybody who's paid for individual sheets and then wants to upgrade, we will give you a refund of your individual purchases. Check out our website, kitsbycarla.com. On the home page, there's a button for the newsletter archive. You can select that to see all the information we've been sharing over the years, and you can subscribe to your newsletter as well there. If you'd like to book a virtual trunk show for your guild or for your shop, just contact me, Carla at kitsbycarla.com. I use Zoom, and it's a really good way to do a presentation with the distance between us all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, write down your coupon code, 2020 discount. Happy holiday season, everyone, and we sure hope 2021 is a better year. You take care.